Hey guys, let's make a simple slider animation today. This is a follow-up video. If you haven't yet seen the first one, the link is given here. See top right corner. Check out the display for the demo of today's project. It is simple and fun to watch. Observe the changes carefully and continue with the design. Let's begin. I have prepared some assets for today's project. There are 4 fruits images with transparent background. I have already removed the background of these images. Then, there's a set of text showing fruit names. Use a quality font for final project. I have made component from one text and replicated as variants with different names. There are 4 circles variants with respective matching colors. At last, there is a set of 4 background frames. They contain tiled images of different fruits, made using component and variants. That's it. Let's begin the design. I'll start the design with a frame. Choose the frame size as per requirement, or select one from preset. I choose a max screen layout. Then select 3 circle from the assets. Make one big enough to cover the background of the frame. Then, change the color from variants of other 2 circles. Align them to the center inside a new frame. Check the clip property and adjust its size to fit the main frame of our project. Drag a fruit image to the center of the frame after finishing the alignment of background circles. Similar to the circles, drag 2 more fruits considering the next frame in our flow. I'll choose the blueberry for current frame and mango for previous and orange for the next frame. Therefore, align these images in the center. Resize the top and bottom image to fit the flow. Carefully follow me and you'll understand everything. Check the clip property for the cover center frame and resize it to the main frame size for consistent looks. Next, drag an instant of text name asset. As usual, drag it in the center and set its color to the next frame fruit color and size it accordingly. Unfortunately, I have missed to record the step to set the background image, but don't worry. It's pretty easy to understand. We have the tiles and asset as I have shown earlier. Just drag the matching one in center and one above and another below in a coving background frame. Keep viewing and maybe I'll show this in next screen of our project. The next screen is just a duplicate of first one. Press Ctrl D or maybe copy paste the first one. Then, change the text, change its color, swap the background from variants, change the background circle from its variant, and adjust the hidden items accordingly. Set Smart Animate style to test our design flow. The design is not finished yet. We will continue it after the initial test. The visuals seem okay, so continue with the design. There are 4 fruits in our asset list, so obviously we have to make 4 sets of screens. How to do it? Don't worry, just duplicate any of the 2 screens and continue with the changes. Follow me and try to replicate my work. It will take some time to finish, so you can speed up the video if you wish. Although I would suggest paying attention to understand the changes. It took me a whole hour to fine-tune my mistakes in this project, so a little attention is good. Let's review and recheck entire design. See and try to understand every single frames and their internal components. This project is not well organized, for that I'm really sorry, although I have tried to show and explain everything as per requirement of the project. Check it out once again, and then we will set the prototype for the testing. The prototype section is very easy. I have only set Smart Animate to each adjacent frame. That is transition from frame 1 to 2, 2 to frame 3, and frame 3 to the 4th. Finally set Smart Animate for frame 4 to frame 1 to create a loop. And yes, this time I am using drag style event, not the click event, although you are free to choose as you wish. Okay, I think it's done, so let's test it now. Hit that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.